Trossard salute to another welcome of Football Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see him. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, like, share, and drop comments for inside this video. Arsenal won and Brentford won, and you get Oga shows the way be like say no Ogbonge person and Ogbonge Arsenal fan may come tell us about how in team performed today. Oga shows the you know some people they talk say once Arsenal start to drop points for season, say now continuously that they drop the points. You think say now what we want to see now because the last match where Arsenal play against Everton, Arsenal drop points. Today they don't drop points against Brentford. What do you think say we go see for the next game? Because the next one now na Man City. You think say na continuous dropping of points? Because some people say they know Arsenal normally once they start to drop points, they don't start to drop points. How you see the performance today and what do you expect on the next game?
First and foremost, today performance they very poor. In and that Everton himself, I don't know which one even poor pass self. The reason why I say they poor, you know say fire did this league. Why you they play as if say maybe you know they contest for anything? You go they play like Brentford when not they contest for anything. Now go they follow you, they draw game. You draw first half, you draw second half. You the cross ball, who they head the ball? Who you the cross ball give? Arsenal just a cross ball. I don't know who they head the ball for Arsenal. When you try 1, 2, 3, 4 crosses, it not work. You know you can take get shot or target, nothing you get. You stop them. Okay, now you even the pass ball, so you the pass ball. If you even see many of our balls and you can't reach your 18, we go to use and they stamp them. Today game, it is extremely poor. I don't even know this one I ever which one I even bad pass. Then secondly again, when they talk say Arsenal go draw points, I know the reason why they talk that one because if you watch last season, we lose straight 3 match at the end of the season. It not even make us even reach top 4. And those people even lose match 7, not even big team. So like this now, I know some will go see carry the league. But what did they vex me? If you lose match against Everton where we nobody, why will you drop points with Brentford where we see nobody? It means say you're not serious. It means even the league self, I don't care character. And if Arsenal continue like this, they go lose the league, they go lose top 4. And if you lose the league, lose top 4, you go lose your players join. Because the likes of the Martinelli, Saka, Odegaard, the rest of them, they're not dedicated to the clubs. They don't put in more effort, more points. Arsenal go lose these people totally to transfer market. Any amount will go come for those boys, they go. Because the effort when those boys they start this league, I know they see them again. I not just understand since this January come, now nothing. Since this January come, they play nothing. When I say nothing,
Gonna beat Man U now.
I know it's I tell you, I say nothing. Now that match now draw, now not be 9 minutes, we go play 3-2. We they play nothing since this January. Because return of table, now be match. Return of table, now be match. Why I say now be match, now say, you get some people will be say, they're not they perform well. But you see that return of table, that January transfer, they'll go sign people come say they say, I want to finish top 4. But since this January come, Arsenal never play anything to impress me. I don't lie you. I don't lie. And so I know we go see win the league, but for now, what will they play? Now nothing. Possibility of us to even draw City again is sure. Possibility for us to draw City is sure. And once we draw City now, it's over.
So what about Trossard now? How you the same performances in don't begin with Arsenal just
See, I not be that kind of person who say they believe say once player come club, make it bench somebody to take position. But for me, I beg me Trossard. Trossard, I beg make it bench Martinelli. The reason why I say make bench Martinelli, for some time now, more than 2-3 games, bros, Martinelli just be like somebody who say, not be Martinelli. Wait till the fire wait to start the games. I know they see him. So more they start Trossard first. Very important because that boy get bites. He gets speed, he gets ski. So let's play him. No plan.
So to you now that next game against Man City now you want to see Trossard start?
Yes, now Trossard na big player now. What are we saying?
So what will be your prediction for Manchester City and Arsenal? We be like saying maybe Arsenal next game.
I see Arsenal to win 2-1. See, there's no way Man City go fit win that match. We don't know how to play Man City. You understand? But my own I say make Arteta not use mistake. Comot Thomas Partey for any reason. Abeg, if you go hear me, make you hear me today. May not comot am for any reason. I don't know the philosophy wey they use but for any reason may not comot am. Even though he get injury, say make he leave am. Na beg I dey beg am because once Thomas Partey come out with that midfield, they must score Arsenal. That na the truth.
So what do you get to tell other Arsenal fans now? You make them they worry with these 2 games when the team don't drop points. I be nothing spoil.
No, nothing spoil. Make them not worry now. How you go worry for 2 games? You understand? There's no way for you to worry because this league na very competitive league. Strong players na dey, world class players na dey. So if e not good today, no mean say not good tomorrow. I know their fear na say Man City. They fit just wake up tomorrow, they not lose any match, the season go end. But we sef we still get that confidence say e go happen to us. We fit not lose again. So make dem not fear.
All right, I got you. Thank you. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.